Yeah, hi, welcome. So in this video, we will see how we can separate one single column contains both text and numbers. So I want to see numbers separately in one column, and I want to see a text in separately in another column. So for that, let us put some simple example here, right? So for example, let us say I have a name and a salary in one column. So name I'll put ABC, and salary 100, something like that, and BCD another name, and salary 200, and CDF another uh, column, another name, and the salary 300, and DEF salary 400. So I have a data like this. So here in column G, I want to extract only text. Column H, I want to extract only numbers, right? So how I can do that? Let me format this one. Let us make this as a table also. Okay. So here I want to extract only text. Text means only the names, right? So for that I can write a formula something like this: equal to, if, you can press the tab, and then the first row, no, if is text, we have a is text function in Excel. Press tab, and then first row, close the bracket. If this is true, then display the F2 where we have the data. So if it is false, say blank. See, sorry. So this is exactly giving the data how we wanted, right? So I have extracted only the text from this column. So here I want to extract only the numbers from this column, right? So I can do this opposite sides. So we also have a number function equal to, if tab is number tab, and then the same column, first row, if it is true, then display the same row value, else display blank. So first row, we are extracting numbers, right? First row is false, so that is why you see blank value. So you can double click here, so all the numbers will be captured here. So I hope this very important and commonly used Excel formula and the scenario that is useful to you, and we will talk about more and more sample scenarios like this. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get the timely notification. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.